I've never seen those birds before.
Mockingjays, we call them. You seem like a good man, Coriolanus Snow. Would have been nice to meet you under different circumstances.
Your role is to turn these children into spectacles, not survivors.
We're live!
Good luck with that poor little songbird.
Run. I am gonna get you out of here. But if I'm gonna risk everything, tell me, is this real?
If you can trust anyone in this world, you can trust me.
Coming like a storm into your town.
There's a natural goodness born into us all.
Catch me now.
You can either cross that line into evil or not.
Lucy Gray!
The Hunger Games, rated PG-13, November 17th.